Sashika, welcome. Today we are going to see another set of questions from digestion and absorption. So let's get started. Which one of the following pairs of food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? It's obviously fat and cellulose. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the site of action on the given substrate, the enzyme acting upon it, and the end product? It's um it's option 4, small intestine, starch with the alpha amylase to disaccharid maltose. Question number 30. What will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of gastric glands is blocked with an inhibitor? Parietal cells secrete HCl. HCl. So, in the absence of it's option 1. In the absence of HCl, I'm sorry for this. Sorry, guys. In the absence of HCl secretion, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into the active enzyme pepsin. Which one of the following mammalian cells is not capable of metabolizing glucose to carbon dioxide aerobically? So it's unstriated muscle cells, liver, red blood cells. Well, yeah, it's red blood cells, RBCs. Because they lack nucleus, mitochondria, and other important cell organelles. So it's obviously RBCs. Which one of the following is a fat-soluble vitamin and it's related to its deficiency disease? So fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. So retinol is vitamin A, calciferol is D, cobalamin is B12, ascorbic is C. So it's going to be A and D because fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. So retinol, calciferol, retinol, xerophthalmia, yeah, and calciferol, peleg, no. So it's option 1, retinol, xerophthalmia. Question number 33. I'm sorry for this page. Examination of blood of a person suspected of having anemia shows large immature nucleated erythrocytes without hemoglobin. So supplementing his diet with which of the following is likely to alleviate his symptoms? So obviously it's folic acid and cobalamin. So option 3. Secretin and cholecystokinin are digestive hormones. They are secreted in duodenum. The cholecystokinin, it induces or it orders the pancreas to secrete large amount of digestive enzymes. So secretin is a peptide hormone. Well, both are peptide hormone. The difference between them is secretin is secreted by the S cells of the duodenum, whereas cholecystokinin is secreted by the I cells of the duodenum. Okay, epithelial cells of the intestine involved in food absorption have on their surface microvilli. A patient is generally advised to specially consume more meat, lentils, milk, and eggs in diet only when he suffers from kwashiorkor. Which group of 3 of the following 5 statements contain all 3 correct statements regarding beriberi? Okay, beriberi. So it is due to vitamin B1. So option 2 is correct. Option 1, crippling disease prevalent among the native population of sub-Saharan Africa. So crippling disease is unable to walk or move. So it's not option 1. A nutritional disorder, it's not a nutritional disorder, occurs in those where the staple diet is polished rice. Yeah, it occurs due to the poor diet and also due to alcoholism. So option 4 is convincing. The symptoms are main from neuritis, paralysis, muscles wasting, progressive edema, mental deterioration, and finally heart failure. Yeah, and also it has loss of appetite, weakness, pain in limbs, and swollen feet and legs. So option 2, 4, 5 are convincing. So it's option 1. The richest source of vitamin B12 are goat's liver and option 1 is correct. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You know what's chicken's breast? Chicken's breast is a meat from the pectoral muscles. Okay, so on the underside of the chicken, So it is a great source of protein without a lot of fat. It's a great source of protein, chicken's breast. Okay, question number 39. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? B12 pernicious anemia, B1 is beriberi, B6 convulsions, B2 pellagra. No, B2 is not pellagra, B3 is pellagra. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Again, C scurvy 12, yes. C, same option, option 2. During prolonged fastings, in what sequence are the following organic compounds used by the body? So carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So option 1. Stool of a person is whitish gray color due to malfunction of which of the following organ? Because of the lack of bile, a digestive fluid which is prepared by liver. So it's option 4. Hydrolytic enzymes which act on low pH are called proteases. Continuous bleeding from an injured part of a body is due to deficiency of vitamin K. This is a very easy question, a very important one too. Okay, which one of the following is correctly matched? Vitamin E tocopherol, yeah, it's correct. Vitamin B calciferol, no. Vitamin D riboflavin, no, it's calciferol. Okay, vitamin A thiamine, no, it's retinol. So vitamin E is tocopherol, and vitamin D is calciferol. Vitamin A is retinol. Essential amino acid is phenylalanine. Yeah. So which food should be eaten during deficiency of rhodopsin in ice? Carrot and ripe papayas. So yes. So guava is rich in potassium, and bananas are also rich in potassium, and it also has banana has potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. So mangoes are rich in vitamin C. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, B6, magnesium, phosphorus. Yes. In mammals, milk is digested by the action of lactase. So yeah, renin. Renin is also correct. So option 1. That's it. Thank you guys.